Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm coming at you with a birthday challenge video. So happy New Year, and also today is actually my birthday. So I wanted to have a challenge this year for my birthday, and I kind of wanted to make it super simple. I'll tell you more about that in just a moment. But let me show you what you will win if you are one of the persons that I draw their name. It's the Sizzix framelit with stamp set. This was a freebie that I got from scrapbook.com. Super cute. Also, this Hip Stamp Hooray set. This is the Lily Builder stamp set. Hip Hip Hooray's Peony Builder stamp set. Super cute. I love peonies. From Spellbinders, I have this embossing photo of the month, and it's the sketched florals. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe you can see it a little bit. It's really pretty. Love the size. And I also have the Spellbinders embossing folder, and this one is called Geoscreen. So I think you can see that one there. Nice big size. And then from Sizzix, I have this Thinlit set. It's by Jessica Scott. It's 2 dies. Really pretty. From Sizzix, I have this Thinlit, and I think this is a Icelandic Poppy. Icelandic Poppy, 3 dies, super simple. From Sizzix, I have this Thinlit set, and this one is called Script Sentiments. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, with love, congratulations. From Heartfelt Creations, I have this Sunrise Lily set. It's 3 pieces. From Momenta, I have this really cute die set with the little bees. And I don't know if it has a specific name. I'm just going to call it Little Bee. And then last but not least, I have this detailed embossing folder by Spellbinders, and it's called Sunrays. So you want to know how you can win all these goodies? Super simple. So my birthday challenge this year just consists of you saying happy birthday in the comments to me. So that's it. And you have to be a subscriber and at least 18 years old or older. So once again, super simple. Just indicate happy birthday, Felicia, below, and you'll be in the drawing. I'll draw the name on Friday. So good luck to you all. And once again, Happy New Year.